Good morning. Hey.
Hello, Mr. Spencer. You having a good time down here?
Are you having a good time?
Oh yeah, having a wonderful time. Great. Of course, if it'd been me, I'd have been out about 6 o'clock this morning doing my shopping. I'd be eating lunch right about now.
And take a nap, right?
Well, we'll take a nap about 3 o'clock when it gets warm in the car. Just lay back where it's warm.
Okay.
Sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, we got some frost. But anyway, we didn't end up going to see the lights last night. We'll probably go see them tonight. But now we're going shopping at the Tanger outlets.
Yes. Yay, Tanger outlets! Woohoo! Holy moly! It is full.
Parking. Packed.
Breakfast of Champions.
Frosted Flakes and Dr. Pepper. It's packed. And so I went to PacSun and got a couple shirts and a couple pairs of pants. And now we're going to get Dad some stuff at Nautica, I believe. Right, Dad? Yeah. What did you get, sis?
A dress and a sweater and jeans and shorts and another sweater that are all navy.
Yeah. What did you get, Mom? Anything?
I got a skirt, and a sweater, and a blouse, and a pair of pants, and an infinity scarf.
You heard it here first.
Hey, what's up? We're waiting.
Yeah, we're waiting because Mom and Dad are shopping.
And our legs are literally about to fall off.
So we sat.
Flat neck. I got some ski pants at Columbia.
Columbia.
Let me show you.
I didn't.
They're this really cool blue purple color. So I can hit up the powder.
Well, we're going early. We could go early.
Go at 4. Of course.
We are going to Mellow Mushroom to eat. Maria, get jealous.
Mellow
Because you
mushroom.
brought home work.
Mellow mushroom.
Yeah, I guess. I got the acknowledgments.
Mellow Mushroom has really good pizzas, and they have small pretzels, like soft pretzels you can get.
They have a really good barbecue chicken pizza. Funky Q chicken or something. Funky.
I tried some barbecue chicken pizza the other day, and it was really good, but it was at D2.
D who? D2.
I had to do the D2 dash after it.
Yeah, we had the dog dash.
For all you hookies, you know what that is.
Shout out to the Highlanders.
Magi Quest!
Magi Quest. Oh my gosh, let's go get wines and earn points and just run around like a crazy kid.
It's right next to an ice cream spot.
Yeah, I know. That's why I called it.
Like barely go to my
Did you see the fireplace?
I've never tried a pretzel with mushroom.
You're welcome.
So Mellow Mushroom was really good. Everyone took a nap afterwards, except me, because I'm the hard worker in this family. I was editing, but anyway, day 1 edit is complete, and now we are going to eat at
The Apple Barn.
Lindsay likes the Apple Barn, and Mom doesn't.
No, I do like the apple barn.
There's Dad. And we are going to the apple barn to eat, and then I think we're doing Christmas lights tonight, since we didn't do them last night. So I don't know if you can see us. We have to wait to eat, so we're going over to like the little store. Correct?
They make the apple butter and apple juice and apple sauce.
Apple butter, apple juice, and applesauce.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
Hey sis.
We now are bride and merry. Join the ancient Yuletide carol. See the blazing wheel before us. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Follow me in merry measure, while I tell of Yuletide treasure. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Sing we joyous all together, heedless of the weather.